You are good to me. You are good, God. For you are good to me. So lean on me, and trust not on your own understanding, but trust in me. I got you. God's got you. He's got you. Just keep trusting in Him. Keep trusting in the Lord. He's gonna bring you through. Oh, He's gonna bring you through. You might not understand what's going on right now, but He says trust